Welcome to the Arizona Xander zone. Today we are going to make fake snow. The ingredients are sodium, polysnow, and water. Let's get started.
First, we're going to pour in the snow.
Polysnow.
And then the water.
And then the water.
It feels like all steady. It feels like something like it feels like super crazy.
It's so squishy.
Yeah. Whoa. What?
Oh my God.
What? Whoa.
It feels like
That is
almost
snowy.
like real snow.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not cold, but it feels like a little cold. It's squishy. Please like our video and subscribe or share our video. Thank you for watching.
I'm stupid.
Yeah. Bye guys.